Hey YouTube, this is Colton, aka PlantBuff. I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about, what my channel is going to be about. The main things I want to focus on in my channel are permaculture. This is a sustainable form of organic farming, that anybody can do on any scale. I've done it on, urban backyards that were several thousand square feet or something, up to the property that we just recently bought here, which is about an acre. I'll show you guys, kind of what I'm doing here. I'm creating a food forest, so fruit trees, nut trees that are, native to this area and do well here, as well as your standard kind of like, rows of vegetables and all that. I'll show you different ways you can do it to adapt it to your situation. I'm also a whole food plant-based vegan. I'll tell you guys, a little bit more about that, what that means, show you recipes, tips for transitioning to this diet, why you should do so. I'm also training to, just become more fit. I've struggled with weight for years. It's been a long journey, ups and downs. I got as high as, 300 pounds, and I've been as low as 165. Right now I'm sitting around 200, so, still trying to drop a few pounds off while also, building some nice lean plant-based muscle. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to do that through calisthenics training, as well as weights here and there, various cardiovascular exercises as well to keep me lean. I'll be building some calisthenics equipment here on my land, pull-up bars, dip bars. That's just to start off, so I'll show you guys some videos of that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The focus here is, plants, growing them, eating them, and building muscle by eating them. So I hope you guys like my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you'd like to see, and I'll try to get some more videos up for you guys soon. Alright, thanks. Peace, love, and vegetables.